Introducing our latest folding knife design, the Ankylo. This new addition to our lineup embodies the strength, quality, and expert craftsmanship that has become synonymous with Vosteed. Featuring a revolutionary lock-in pivot, the Ankylo is designed to be secure, functional, and fidget-friendly. Our innovative patented Vancor lock is meticulously CNC milled from a 5mm thick stainless steel plate. When deployed, the anchor plate forms a sturdy, reinforced lockup, offering incredible strength. The Ankylo features Elmax blade steel for supreme toughness and a reverse tanto blade shape that excels in a variety of indoor and outdoor tasks. Its sleek design and precision engineering make for a perfect everyday companion. Whether you're preparing food, opening packages, or tackling a DIY project, you'll be slicing in style. The Vancor lock facilitates easy opening in any scenario, while the hard anodized non-slip aluminum handle enhances blade control. The ergonomic design allows for both a classic and forward grip, depending on user preference and the task at hand. The Ankylo will be offered in multiple configurations, featuring a variety of handle patterns, colors, and blade finishes. Vosteed knives. Stay sharp, stay wild.